Another headline tonight, Oklahoma Attorney General John O'Connor is responding to a letter signed by 61 state lawmakers urging him to join them in a fight to get a man off death row. Those lawmakers, many of them pro-death penalty Republicans, say new evidence could prove Richard Glossip's innocence. 2 News Oklahoma's Jeanette Quesada walks us through how we got here. So Jeanette, today's response not giving a clear path forward.
Karen, despite this bipartisan push, Attorney General John O'Connor deferred to the courts. In this letter, he says, quote, "I cannot join in your request for an evidentiary hearing," saying instead it is in the hands of the Oklahoma Court of Criminal Appeals. If the Court of Appeals grants the hearing, there's a possibility Glossip's defense team and a new several hundred-page report can save him from execution.
343 pages in this report that dives into the investigation.
343 pages of evidence could be the lifeline for a man on death row, set to die next month. 59-year-old Richard Glossip is convicted in the 1997 killing of his boss, motel owner Barry Vantrease. Glossip has been on death row for more than 2 decades and has maintained his innocence. Now, 2 legal teams and more than 5 dozen lawmakers say they have evidence to prove it.
They recalled witnesses. They talked to people who have never been talked to before. They found paperwork that had never been found before. And the investigative report confirmed, in my mind, that we do have an innocent man on death row.
The case goes back to 1997 when Glossip was accused of directing the murder of his boss, Barry Vantrease. Another suspect, Justin Sneed, confessed to beating Vantrease to death, but Sneed testified Glossip hired him to carry out the killing. In 2015, Glossip's defense team said they found new evidence and witnesses that proved his innocence.
It confirms that Justin Sneed, the actual murderer, was given a plea deal in order to point the finger at someone else. The state convinced the jury that Richard Glossip was embezzling money, but there is literally no evidence to support it other than hearsay.
Last month, Representative Kevin McDougal, a Republican from Broken Arrow, leading the charge of lawmakers fighting for Glossip, went on to list other problems with the case, saying the report also had proof that the DA's office purposefully destroyed an entire box of evidence that could have exonerated Glossip.
If the jury had seen the evidence that this investigation has turned up, Richard Glossip would have been set free 24 years ago.
And prosecutors in O'Connor's office have urged the Court of Criminal Appeals to reject Glossip's request for an evidentiary hearing, suggesting it's a delay tactic. Glossip is set to be executed September 22nd. We'll be following this story as it unfolds. Live in studio, Jeanette Quesada, 2 News Oklahoma.